RedotPay Crypto Card tutorial. So pretty much RedotPay offers a crypto-powered payment card, pretty much a virtual or physical card that lets you spend crypto or use crypto-backed credit. It supports depositing crypto using encrypted accounts and using the card like a normal debit or credit card. So pretty much to online or in store. So pretty much on how to get started with your RedotPod card. So of course you're gonna make an account either in the website or the app. You can get the app directly here, or you can just install it to your installers. So once you do have the app, just register or sign up. It should be a direct method to sign in, or create your account. But if you already have one, of course just log in. But once you do that, just go ahead and complete your KYC. This usually means submitting government ID, selfie, or etc. Pretty much needed before applying for the card. This will allow yourself to verify yourself. But anyways, once you do so, you can start applying for their crypto card. So if you want a virtual card, you can choose that, or a physical card. So the virtual card can be activated faster, usable online or in apps, but the physical card, of course, needs a request since a physical one is needed to be arrived. So you're gonna have to wait for shipment. So once approved and issued, you can activate the card in the app and set up any pin or etc. Then you can start using the card for your likings. But anyways, it's actually as simple as that, and you should be able to start using your RedotPay card. Hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.